Many economies around the world are still reeling from the effects of coronavirus. The situation is worsening with the disturbing wave of the new variant in parts of the world. Ghana's active cases are also rising steadily, with a few hundreds being recorded daily, and which is a disturbing development for the authorities. The 72nd New Year School at the University of Ghana is focusing attention on building Ghana and its developmental agenda, even in the face of the global health crisis. In the next few days, participants will exert their energies on how to fight COVID-19 whilst building a resilient economy for all. The Vice Chancellor of the University of Ghana, Professor Ebenezer Odro-Usu, said the university has measures and strategies in place to support government efforts to bring the situation under control.
The Noguchi Memorial Institute for Medical Research continues to play a lead role as Ghana's biggest COVID-19 testing center. The Institute has also strengthened capacity for testing systems nationwide by providing guidance and technical support to expand COVID-19 testing centers, as well as evaluating their capability and preparedness for testing.
The co-coordinator of the government coronavirus response program, Dr. Anelfia Samuaba, said the world will experience more health crises, and preparedness and investing in institutions are key to making Ghana resilient to such global shocks.
Whilst we cannot insulate ourselves from the rest of the world, our development depends on relying and developing our own institutions, our own people, our own scientists, our own universities, civil societies, think tank, media, and private sector. The fact that most research done by universities and the fact that most civil society organizations are largely funded by external partners make all of us vulnerable.
With children going to school at a time Ghana's active case count is on the steady rise, President Akufo-Addo has some words of assurance for Ghanaians.
In a few years' time, we can guarantee that the basic education for the workforce in our country will be at the secondary level. Today, all students in the country's educational structure are back in school, with some doing so after a 10-month break. The government is determined to ensure their safety whilst in school.
Currently, many hope that the vaccine will control the spreading virus. But how far has government gone with plans to acquire any vaccine?
Through the advances of science, we now have vaccines which are already being administered in some countries that could help control and eventually end the pandemic. The committee formed by government to recommend the appropriate decision on COVID-19 vaccines has completed its work, enabling government to begin discussions with vaccine manufacturing companies with the goal of ordering the suitable doses of the vaccines for use in Ghana.
The annual New Year School of the University of Ghana is a gathering of public opinion on topical issues of national relevance.